How to achieve sharp edge icing. One. Apply a generous amount of your frosting. I normally go first from the top to bottom. This will ensure you got enough icing for the edge before scraping. Two. Scrape off using plastic, stainless scraper. Three. Clean top using stainless spatula. Fill gaps with frosting and scrape until it looks smooth. Repeat the same method by scraping and gently cleaning the edges using the spatula. I remove excess frosting on the board by the scraper too. So, here it is. Here are what I only use.